Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick video how I fried my super crunchy fried fish. If this is your first time in my channel, you are welcome. My name is Sade. So guys, if you are interested, sit back, continue watching, and let's get started. So guys, for this recipe, I have some nice looking brains. I'll go ahead and clean up the fish, then I'll be right back. So guys, I've cleaned up my fish. So now I'm going to be marinating the fish with some salt and some black pepper. Then I'm going to make sure I rub all the salt and the black pepper all around the body very well. So now I'm going to cover the fish, and I will set it aside for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can leave it more than that, but I'm just going to do it for that minute. So as you can see, I have some plain flour. I'm going to be adding 1 sachet of baking powder. I will add cornstarch. Some chili pepper, garlic powder, and some fish seasoning. I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure you mix everything together. You want everything to mix properly. So now here is the fish. The fish have been marinating for the past 30 minutes. So now in my flour bowl, I'm going to place the fish. I'll make sure I rub all the body very well with the flour, and make sure you dust it very well. You don't want to over pad the fish with too much flour. It's time to fry the fish. I'm going to be using sunflower oil for this recipe. So now I'm going to be adding the onions and sage leaf. I'll leave it to fry for 2 minutes to infuse inside the oil. That will give this fish a nice aroma. Time for me to add the fish. And you want your oil to be very hot, because if your oil is not hot, your fish is going to soak the oil. I'm going to flip it to the other side. So now I'm going to be taking the onions away from the oil. So guys, as you can see, our fish is ready. Wow, this fish is so crunchy, tastes so good. Make sure you give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, Please, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new videos. And you can also go to my channel. I have a lot of delicious recipe. So guys, here is the end result. The fish looks so beautiful, and thank you once again for watching, and I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.